Intro. Hello and welcome to this video about Java developers. If you're a beginner who is interested in becoming a Java developer or just curious about what Java developers do, then this video is for you. Body. Firstly, let's start with the basics. Java is a programming language that was first released in 1995. It's still one of the most popular programming languages used today, especially for developing web applications and mobile apps. Java developers are responsible for designing, coding, and testing these applications. To become a Java developer, you'll need to learn the Java language and its associated libraries and frameworks. This can be done through online courses, books, and practice coding exercises. Once you have a good understanding of the language, you can start building small applications to gain experience. As a Java developer, you'll typically work on a team with other developers and project managers. You'll be responsible for writing code that meets project requirements and is maintainable and scalable. You'll also need to write automated tests to ensure that your code is working correctly. One of the key advantages of Java is that it's platform independent. This means that you can write code on one platform and run it on another without any changes. This makes it ideal for developing applications that need to run on multiple platforms. Java developers typically use integrated development environments, IDEs, such as Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA to write their code. These IDEs provide helpful tools such as code highlighting, auto-completion, and debugging, which make the development process easier and faster. Java developers also work with databases to store and retrieve data from their applications. They use technologies such as JDBC and Hibernate to connect to databases and write queries to retrieve and manipulate data. Finally, Java developers need to stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends in their field. This means attending conferences, reading industry publications, and participating in online forums and communities. Conclusion. In conclusion, Java developers are responsible for designing, coding, and testing applications using the Java programming language. They work on teams with other developers and project managers to build maintainable and scalable applications that can run on multiple platforms. Becoming a Java developer takes time and dedication, but with practice and persistence, you can become a skilled developer and build a rewarding career in this field. Thanks for watching. Presented by Rajiv Gupta.